asada burrito.
Okay.
I mean taco, I'm sorry.
And what else? What else?
Let me do pastor.
Taco?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And then what's another good one that?
Chorizo, cabeza, lengua.
I'll do the chorizo.
Chorizo? Okay, what else?
That'll be all.
Ready?
Yeah.
So just a bit?
Yeah, cool. Yeah. I'll take one.
Okay, it's gonna be $11. You have $1 and I give you $3 there?
I don't have a dollar. Is it cool if I record real quick?
Yeah.
Record a little video? Asada, pastor y chorizo. Homemade tortillas también. Total was 11. So I got one chorizo, one asada. They make the tortillas fresh here, so that's a good thing. As you saw the masa inside. Yeah, nobody wanted to come out with me, so I'm by myself. Broken windows right there. With cops all the way out there pulling somebody over. So let's see. I would go to that spot, but the tortillas aren't made fresh, and that's what I'm here for, is tacos. But they do have good burritos right across the street of the main street, which is one street. So they have asada, abodoba, pastor, cabeza, lengua, chorizo, tripas. Ooh, see, they're closing. Okay, so this one's asada, chorizo, another one. I'm not getting it right now, but all you do is add some lemon. With this red salsa. This is the spicy one. Pour it all over. Ooh, you can see that. That was hot. You can see the steam come up from the tacos. Wow. Fresh tortilla. Let's see how it tastes. That's fucking spicy. Chorizo. Al pastor. That's what that is. With some salsa. It's really spicy. Look at it. Fresh tortilla. You see the difference between the two? This one's a little fluffier. I guess it just depends what you like. this is my opinion, because they have the best salsa, which is the name, best salsa. I'm gonna ask them if I can record, if they care or not, but we'll see. Is it okay if I take a video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you. So they have burros, which is burritos, tortas, tacos, quesadillas, hamburgers, salads, so good. Green burritos, some green burritos, pastor, asada. Let me get the birria. Well, I'm gonna get a different kind of tacos.
Yeah. So you want one taco de birria?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then one carnitas.
Okay.
One chorizo. You guys have pollo?
Oh yeah.
Let me get 2 of those.
Two pollo.
Then I get pastor.
Yep.
And then carnitas. I don't know if it's over.
Maybe 24.
Thank you.
Napkin.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
So this is my favorite taco spot. Best salsa. You can see where they make the tortillas fresh.
Super! Tres de asada y 2 de pollo.
Okay guys, the lighting sucks. It does not do these tacos the justice it should. But as you can see, look at that. Sauteed onions, radish, with some limes. Get one of these. That's enough. Ooh. With orange salsa, which is called, no way. Yeah. It's amazing. Hold it back. It goes in. That's so hot. There's no way. And then you eat this after you get everything. And then go for another bite. You still have the crunchiness from the radish. Best taco I've ever had. Oh my god. I don't like onions, but they add a flavor and crunchiness to it. A better texture helps with the softness from the meat. Amazing. Wow. This is birria, which is why it's all wet. You see those? Now that's chicken. Got some radish with another chicken taco.